Здравейте отново! Hiyo! It is Lalev from Archicad, and today we are going to do our views, interior views. This is our model, and now we are going to define our views, which will later be our renderings. Let's go to our 3D window. First we will do the living room. Something like that. Let's also change the angle of these blinds, if we can do that. Angle of curtain, let's define it to be 75, so that we can see more of the outside if we want to. Now the interior, yes, that's good. I will move slightly back, something like that. I think it is very good. Okay, and let's first define our view. Right click button on the perspective and save current view. We will later define our layer combinations. Yes, architectural building plans, yes, that's very good. 3D window, yes, okay. And on our view map we will define, let's just find it. Our generic perspective is already there, and this one. We will now make a new folder by going to the button here, and we will name it 3D views. Now let's move the perspectives there. Let's see. This is the current, and this is another one which I will delete. It's not necessary. Return to the current view, and I will rename it to living room day 1. Let's just condense it. LR day 1. That's great. And now I will also define the same one. Save current view, create, and this will be the same view, but night 1. Okay, now we will move the camera a little bit. Let's do that by going to this direction. Of course, for precise movement you can first right click. Let's make a view, save current view. Okay, this will be our LR day 2, let's call that. Move it to our folder, and now we have right click, and let's just go to the perspective. 3D, we can set our settings specifically for each view. That's why we define views. Let's just define the next one, but we first need to rearrange. I will show you how to update the view now. We'll go to the view, move the camera a little bit. I'm using Explore tool. It is view explore model. My shortcut is shift plus comma. I want to be the view to be something like that. Okay, that's great. Now let's redefine with current window settings, and again save current view. Okay, because I'm very surprised they don't have duplicate view. Night 2. Now let's select both night views, view settings, and go to the auto renovation filter. Okay, let's check the 3D. They will be indoor lamps. That's great. Quality medium is okay. Lights will use 100% for the night views, or 120. Sun, yes, sun will be turned off. Okay. Use white noise environment, sky setup. Because sky, that is irrelevant. Let's make let's choose a predefined ratio. I will use that and double it. Okay, that's great. Now the sun. We will use the sun from the left of our screen. Define the sun altitude. I will use 40 to make sure that more light is coming through. Viewcon 7. Actually 75 is too much. Regularly we use 60 like that, but for interiors it is possible to use 75. It is quite realistic. By the way, I go to the settings by clicking Alt plus F9 on your keyboard, and for rendering settings, Alt plus F10, like that. And now we'll redefine our view. Redefine with current window settings. Let's now go to the first view and click again Alt F9. Move the sun. Okay, 40. The camera will be located at eye level. 70. This will make it. No, let's go a little bit lower. You can experiment with that, but I suggest make the camera so high that you can see as many things as possible. Let's make it 140. 140. Okay, that's better. Now redefine the current view, and again this camera will be it is 109. I think let's make it 150. Yes, and now we are ready to redefine it. The day renderings will be something more special. I will show you how to distinct the day rendering from the night rendering. We'll use 35 less. Now 140 as in the other view. And by going to rendering settings, I will again go to screen, define it and double it. Now we will use we'll go to our scene list. We'll select and manage scenes. As you can see, we have options. Let's indoor HDRI. This is about lamps too. Indoor daylight final. Suggest using daylight medium physical. That's good. I will press OK. Nice lights. Okay. And the sun will be, I will raise it a little bit. Okay. Custom, you can of course store CNS and define it as indoor medium, indoor daylight medium physical store. Replace, and now it will be with 140. Physical sky, use Archicad sun position, that's great. Background, will now insert our background, which will be for the windows, of course, to see. Background image, and go to the already defined. I have selected some backgrounds, let's press OK. And close that and redefine with current window settings. Let's again go to our sun position to check it if it is exactly okay. That's great. And again go to the other view and let's check the camera position. I think I made it around 15. The view corner will again be that 35. Okay, again to the sun position, which will be from the window, and entering from the window you can see the illumination changing a lot. Now the 3D rendering settings, I will go to indoor daylight medium physical and change the background, of course, which will be this one. But for this scene, because we won't see any background, I will disable it. We don't need any background. The size of the image, let's make it the same as the other ones, which was 1024 by 768. Let's make it like that. Okay, and redefine. Be sure that you're on the correct view. Current window setting. As you can see, now we have defined our views and change them according to our preferences. For the night views, lights from the sun are off, and for the day views, let's go to day view. The day views, there only they are active, and we can also illuminating surfaces intensity. We can raise it about let's say we can raise it for the night views. This is about lamps, how they will illuminate the surfaces. Yes, that's good. I don't know. You can just click on this button to make a fast rendering, so that you will see what that is all about. Okay, and let's go to the next view, and we will of course make the same adjustments. Okay, redefine. And now we have already defined our views. We are ready to add lights and correct the materials and photo render the image. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next part. Bye.